What's up, guys? Chris here with another honest review about a product called AI Scale Stack by a fellow marketer. His name is Justin. I forget his last name. I'll have to look back to that, but his first name is Justin. I went through the sales page, I went through the members area, and I completed the entire members area. So I'm about to show you the back of the members area. Some of the stuff that he shares, Justin shares in the members area. Very powerful stuff. So I'm looking to do a really deep dive on what exactly he is showing here. So you already hit this page, you've seen this page, and I just want to bring you inside of the members area. Okay, so here's Justin right here. The welcome video, you'll see that welcome video. Then after the welcome video, you'll see this video one, owned income framework. Pretty much he's talking about you need to own your traffic. That's what he gets in a nutshell. You have to own your traffic, and he's about to show you how, pretty much. And I think he does. I think he does a great job showing how. He does push a lot of going to the webinar to register for the webinar to get a more in-depth demo. At least that's how he makes it sound. When I went through the members area, for me, I wanted to do the webinar also to really give it a really deep dive, but it's not ready just yet. So by the time it's live and you hit this page, he is driving for you to go ahead and register for the webinar. The training's really good, guys. The stuff he talks about is solid. It's really solid. So I want to show you what's going on in the next one. It actually gets pretty good once you get into the launch lab because he shows you step by step. We're not there yet. We're on 3. Well, I'll save it till I get there. So right here, he's talking about the email evolution. Gives a little backstory of how email came to be. He talked about how it used to be because he's been in the game for a long time now, and he said things you had to pretty much adjust. You had to adjust because the game changed so much, and it did. It used to be easier way back when. It used to be a lot easier. Now it's more people are let's say wiser, more intelligent to these things nowadays. So it's like the audience has changed. The way people look at email has changed. So he talks about ways to go about standing out, and he does so with actually doing a newsletter, which is not to be confused with just getting a email list and just sending offer after offer after offer after offer. He actually talks about how to use his custom GPTs in video 3, which we're about to get to. I'm gonna just go ahead and jump to video 3. Very good training, guys. This was an easy run also. It wasn't a long training. So you guys can rest assured that you won't feel like you're being put to sleep. Um, so just want to let you know that. So this is where it gets really good because in here he talks about I don't want to scroll down because it'll expose the links to the GPTs that he uses, but if I scrub the video, we'll probably see there we go. Scrub the video some because he had it on screen. So he's got you right here, your bot launch system. They've included 4 custom GPT bots that do the heavy lifting of launching a newsletter, faster, easier, and more strategically than doing it alone. These aren't generic AI tools, which they're not. He showed step by step in great detail how to use them. The video wasn't very long. Well, I think the longest video in this whole training was like 23 minutes or something like that. Wasn't very long. So it's very interesting. He shows you what how they go about to create the content to have it pending for what niche you're going to dive into, which the custom GPTs will help you to figure out how to go about setting all that up. All right, and then he talks about the platform protocol. All right, I believe right here he talks about Beehive. All right, so I want to go into where Beehive is. This is what Beehive is, and it's talking about. Let's see. You can hold up to 2,500 subscribers. You get a custom website, which is interesting because if you have a custom website, you should be able to launch products, at least one product from the free thing. I would assume it has limits. I didn't check all the way in with that. This is interesting looking because you can look. You can make custom newsletters, campaign analytics. What was attractive to me is the unlimited email sends on a free account up to 2,500 subscribers. The only thing with this is you cannot do automations. You have to pay for holding a little less subscribers, but if you click on monthly, 39.20, you get a little bit of a discount when you go through Justin's affiliate link. below right here. Sound like I'm starting to get a little stuffy. I'll be fine. Anyhow, so yeah, that's what's going on here. Go through the training. This is the one. Yeah, it was like 23 minutes, 7 seconds. That was like the longest training. So when you go to the next, he gives you a 7-day rapid action plan, which is this. So I want to go through this with you because it's interesting how he's got this. And so I'm gonna go ahead and read it out. AI skill stack, 7-day action plan checklist. Simple steps to implement the lab framework. Launch, automate, and build. Day one, understand a framework plus plan your newsletter. Register for automatic newsletter machine webinar, which obviously a call to action, strong call to action. Watch video one because right here they're gonna get into detail on more in depth demos. Then it says checklist video one, the owned inbox framework. So basically, follow this, follow all of this, you check it off. So you're systematically going through the course. That's what I'm getting out of it. I don't want to go through it all, but yeah. See, you just go through it because this all ties into what he's showing you in this video. So that's what I want to show you. Or yeah, within this video, it was only 2 minute 37-second video. Very short videos, guys, not long at all. See, this one's well, this one's 8 minutes 48. It's not very long. I think it was this one that I wanted to get to because he had it on screen. What I think would be interesting to you guys. Talks about. I know it's in this video. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, you see right here. This was very interesting because it says this is the welcome sequence he shows you with the driving cold traffic to. This is what it looks like. The first email they send immediately, it sets the expectations of who you are, what they'll get, and when they'll hear from you. So you set the expectation clearly in email one. Email two. Now this may make you feel like how soon he does it, but he explains the psychology of why he does this. So it's up to you if you want to change your sequence for whatever traffic you're running from, whatever pages you're running traffic to, how you want to set those automations in the back of your autoresponder. So she shows you step by step. This was interesting. I thought about implementing this in one of my other traffic channels with their sequence to test what he has going on, but it's pretty solid. It makes sense. The logic that he pretty much just it articulates why he does it like that. And another thing that got my attention, he talks about they also put him through a survey. That was interesting too because surveys are powerful because when people drive to our Facebook community, for instance, we always have the 3 survey laid out strategically so that they would tell us their pain point without them putting their guard up, and for them to explicitly let us know that they want communications. Um, of some sort, whether through DM or email if they drop their email, depending on what I'm how I'm trying to acquire the customer, whether social or email, through social or email. All right, so very good stuff, guys. Very good stuff. I did want to talk about the bonuses you get, but like, I just skipped. I see build predictable. This right here was interesting too. I liked this video, um, because he talks about the social authority engine. He talks about how you can go about driving to your site. The in this case, he talks about Beehive. All right, he talks about Beehive, and he shows you how to set up Beehive in such a way that way when you post on social, you just give them a little snippet of the full article read that Beehive can house for you as a website. And so he shows you how to do that, and he shows you how to program a pop up to where people, if they want to get on your newsletter, so they can get those valuable emails from you, those valuable newsletters that, in this case, the 4 custom GPTs will help you brainstorm, which they did because he showed it in real time, and it was really sweet. I think you guys are really going to enjoy implementing it ASAP. So yeah, do that. But this is just the product by itself. I want to talk about the bonuses you get when you pick up AI scale stack by through my affiliate link. And I already gave you in a nutshell, so you can read this document. AI scale stack in a nutshell. AI scale stack is a rapid deployment system that uses smart AI prompts to generate high converting lead magnets, email ready assets, sorry, and bonus stacks so you can build a list and monetize it without getting stuck in tech or content creation hell. Whether you're an affiliate, coach, or product creator, or any other, It gives you the assets and strategy to grow fast, even if you're starting from zero. So this is the GPTs I told you about. Um, so those are the four GPTs from them. They said 400 plus on their sales page when I looked. So we going with what they say, and I believe it because what he showed was very valuable. These are the exclusive bonuses you get from me. You get a Lead Magnet Launch Accelerator. Okay, so go ahead and read all that up. Let's see. You get bonus number 2, 24-hour affiliate bonus stack blueprint. So goes I tell you what's up with that. Craft a high value bonus offer from thin air, even if you don't have your own product. So you get that. That'll be in the access bonuses button on Warrior Plus. And bonus 3, you get the launch partner pass, 30 days of one-to-one chat support by me. So it pretty much tells you what you get right there. Now, because it's $701 in total value for the low price that they're asking for, you're getting about $701 plus total value in all bonuses from the GPTs and plus what you get in the back end members area. You should see the link right here. You could click the link here. If you can't view the doc on your end, I'll have the direct link too. That's why I want to share right here the bonuses you get. Okay. So go ahead, take action. Pick up the bonuses and go ahead and get your front end material. AI Scale Stack by Justin. I forgot his last name. I was going to say because it's him and his wife. They're doing this. They're working this business together, and they help a lot. They help to counsel a lot and consult, should I say, consult a lot of businesses as well that are doing very well. So he's a consultant coach type of guy, showing you how to do newsletters with his four GPTs. You see the bonuses that you get. Go ahead, click that link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the training of the bonuses that you get. Okay. Y'all be blessed.